Yeah, that's too easy. Now it's becoming easy. If someone set this up.
Should I drop the altitude speed? Doesn't matter at this point.
Oh, I think. I'm trying to maintain the. So I'm waiting for the glide slope to come in.
Stop here.
1,000. Thank you. When you see the runaway, right, let me know so I can like switch to visual.
I'm legitimately still waiting for it.
Okay, well wait, I think that's where like 13 miles and stuff.
It should be like right under us.
No, they're 13 miles back.
Oh,
You can see here the distance.
oh, okay.
So
1,000.
So what's DME stand for?
distance measuring.
Yeah, right, and let me know when that stuff become pink and start moving.
Okay.
So DME, distance measuring equipment at the airport, showing that you're 12.4 miles away from the airport.
Oh, I thought it was
Nautical
like
miles. Nautical miles, 1.8 kilometers.
Okay.
So you can almost double it. So 12, you're about 20 kilometers back still.
oh wow. I thought it was gonna be distance to runway or something.
Yeah, no, that's DME. That's what DME means, distance measuring. So, down 11. You're moving 154 knots, so you're moving at about 280, 290 kilometers an hour. Distance comes down pretty fast. I see the route.
I don't.
Okay.
Is it that way then?
Ryan, just me and you. Be certain. Okay, now I think I see that. That's wide, right? No, I didn't.
You got about 9 miles. That's crazy. Sorry. Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, we never touched half the buttons at the top there. The buttons at the top.
Yeah, you don't have to. Just
Okay.
the IRS is the doing it here.
Oh, neat.
Unless you have failures and stuff.
Approaching minimums. Minimums. 100. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Approaching on runway
Good
3.
job.
So why the
Short
glide slope
runway.
indicator
Short
never
runway.
went alive?
Because you were below the glide slope pretty much the whole approach. It was still active, but you were basically dragging it in till the end, which is very common in here. Most people do that. It's just okay. You are too far below it. Some people are really low, and then you see them flying, looking over the glare shield for their runway. It's always good to maintain like 3,000 feet until the glide slope is captured at the midpoint, then start your descent, and then it's easier to track it. That's the rule you need to remember. Maintain 3,000, and don't go below it until catching the glide slope.
Yeah, that's.
You got time still for our approach, Ryan? Do you want to try landing on the same runway? I can just put it on final.
Yeah, sure, absolutely.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay.
On final, was that set up? So
Yeah, just don't. Here, just 1 second. I'll put on 8 mile final here.
That looks hectic.
Put it at flaps 15, please. Move up the throttles to about 80%.
Landing gear off.
Okay, good. And the gear is down, that's good. Oh, current position is up. The gear, okay. Just cycle the gear down again, please. Put it up and down. And down. Okay. Ready?
yep.
You're Ryan, you got it?
Yep.
Radio altimeter.
And flight directors are tied in. Oh wait, sorry. So don't go by the flight director yet because we didn't put the thing on his side. So
I'm trying to.
okay. Now it's good. You can follow the flight director now.
That line, the green line, is the line of the runway. So you want to stick with that and just descend.
Push the nose down, right?
Okay,
right. Let me reset it because we didn't have this.
Oh my god, we're gonna crash.
No, we're not done. You're doing good, Ryan.
Excellent. I will stabilize this. Holy crap. That was intense.
No, it's because
I like how it starts, you know, it starts like in the movie. It's like the beginning.
Yes,
okay.
like, so
Now you're on the glide slope.
final destination shit.
Just fly your flight director.
We're flaps 15, so we need to slow down a
Pull
little
out the power down. Lower the nose, right? This diamond is actually your glide slope. It's supposed to be kept there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but just fly your flight director.
Radio altimeter.
I think we are.
It's okay. Just gotta come right a little bit.
So the runway will be the same?
Yeah.
It's the same runway, so turn right. right, steer right. That's where the runaway.
Oh, okay.
That's line. And I'm going to give you a little bit of power, otherwise we're going to die. That's like 530.
An hour. Lower the nose, right? Push down. Up. I'm gonna give you a trick here. Turn off your flight director.
Okay.
This diamond, keep it here.
Okay.
This diamond should be there. So follow it like a flight director. That's raw data off the ILS.
Oh, okay. Nope. It's gonna be a banking. Yeah, it's a huge dive, right?
There you go.
Here's your runaway. See it?
Come right.
Terrain. I think you're terrain. That's your runaway.
You can make it.
To the left?
Come right. Turn left. After.
Excellent. I like those sounds, Ryan. You're good.
That did not sound good.
Wait till it's like.
Yeah, come right a little bit. Follow this road. See this highway here? Yeah, follow it and then make the left.
Those guys like freaking out over here. Like pull up.
And there is your runaway. Do you see it?
Yep.
1,000.
So after that, like do the turn with the dive and like let me know when you want
It
to.
doesn't really even make the dive. He's right on the glide slope. It's perfect on the glide path.
Yeah.
Just nose up now, Ryan, a little bit.
Yeah, I'll help you with that.
Good.
In the old-fashioned aircraft, Ryan, like one pilot was controlling the other one just the course.
Looking good, right? Beautiful.
Approaching.
Nose up a little bit.
That's it. That's it.
Oh, okay.
500.
Nose up a little more. Give him a little power surgery. Just
Yeah.
400.
more.
Yeah, I do.
Good. Awesome. Good.
300.
It looks like we're a lot of center.
Lots of room.
Yeah, this works.
Start the descent.
Yep.
Yeah, probably.
Yep. Good. All right.
Approaching minimums.
Now you're a bit high, but it's okay. You got lots of runway. So you don't have to force it
Minimums.
down too much.
We just like cut the speed and then it just
Yeah,
drops.
yeah. I'm trying.
Yeah. Nose
100.
up a bit. Pull up.
50, 40, 30, 20.
That's it. Let it settle. To the right.
10.
Nice.
Good job, Ryan.
Awesome.
It's even better final time.
Practice makes perfect.
Fair enough. Fair enough.
Do you have a time for one more?
Yep.
Of that? Maybe we can take off from here and do
Approaching. On runway
U-turn.
3. Caution.
Yeah, you can.
Short runway.
Okay.
Short
Go
runway.
flaps 5. Blast off. Oh, auto brakes off. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Easy, 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 easy.
We're drifting.
Don't oversteer on the pedals. Big rudder.
3,000 remaining.
You're up.
Right, that's you.
Up, up,
Yeah,
up.
that's
So what's the difference between up and off?
Once the gear is up, you put it in up because otherwise the hydraulic pumps keep running to pull it out. So once the gear is up and locked and stowed away, there's no need to keep running the hydraulic pump. The new
Oh, that's-
737 MAX that just came out this year doesn't even have that. It automatically cuts out. It's just an up and down position.
Oh,
There's going to be a lot of incidents. They're projecting lots of incidents in pilot right now because they're going to follow the.
You know what's going to be problems? Like company like WestJet, which has a whole bunch of the planes like this, the 800, the NG, now has the MAX. The 800 still have the gear in the off. So the problem is the guys are going to forget if they're used to flying the MAX and then they go onto the NG, they're going to put the gear up and leave it up, and the hydraulic pumps are going to be running the whole flight. I can see their maintenance guys having a lot of overtime, replacing the hydraulic pumps.
Oh, so at this point we just flip it off?
Yeah,
and then
now
should
it
be
goes
fine?
off.
Okay.
I don't think that we have a time for the full circuit. 6 minutes.
So you want me to just put you on final?
No, it's okay. I think I'm going to do the turn.
Okay. All right. What's your speed?
Thank you, sir. You're good.
Let's give.
Okay.
Let's make us the emergency. Emergency return.
Quite windy, right? 22 knots.
It's going to be fun with the tailwind.
Where are you going now?
I'm going back.
Oh, you're gonna come back on the opposite end?
Yeah.
I see. Okay.
Bank angle.
Okay.
That's okay. Let it go bank angle. It's okay. It's just a warning. You can exceed it. Sky
Bank
Regional
angle,
guys,
bank
that's what they
angle.
practice. They do steep turns in here all
Bank
the time
angle,
and
bank
45
angle.
degrees bank.
Oh, wow.
Bank angle.
Plane can do
Bank
it.
angle,
It's
bank
passenger
angle.
comfort.
Bank angle.
But we need to have like the G
Bank angle.
gauge.
Bank angle.
Because I think it's going to be like about
Bank
2G
angle.
or something.
Bank angle. Bank angle. Bank
Roll
angle.
out.
Bank angle.
Give him gear down, Ryan.
Yes, gear down, please, Ryan.
Auto brakes to 2. Speed brake.
Yeah.
Bank angle. Bank angle.
Don't worry. Okay, let's stabilize it. Ryan, well, we're going to do more flaps soon. I just need a bit of ground. More flaps, please. Like what was there? Like